Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with BuzzSumo for finding trending affiliate topics, full guide step by step clearly. To set up with BuzzSumo for finding trending affiliate topics, begin by visiting the BuzzSumo website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to register, including your email address and password. Once registered, log into your BuzzSumo account. On the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter a general keyword related to your niche to start your search. Click on the magnifying glass icon or press enter to initiate the search. After the results load, focus on the Content tab to view trending articles. Use the filters on the left side to narrow down results by date, content type, or language. Look for articles with a high number of social shares, as this indicates trending content. Explore the most shared section to identify which topics are currently resonating with audiences. You can also utilize the Influencers tab to see who is sharing the content. Identify key influencers in your niche, as collaborating with them can amplify your reach. Next, consider using the Trending Now feature on BuzzSumo. This section highlights real-time trends and can help you discover evergreen topics. Use the Alerts feature to set email notifications for specific keywords. This ensures you stay updated on new content related to your affiliate topics. Another useful tool is the Question Analyzer to find questions people are asking. By addressing these questions in your content, you can attract more traffic. Review the Content Analysis section for insights into successful content structures. This data can guide you in creating your own high-performing affiliate content. Remember to keep track of your findings in a spreadsheet or document. This will help you strategize and organize your affiliate marketing efforts. As you explore BuzzSumo, stay open to new ideas and trends. Regularly return to the platform to stay ahead in the affiliate marketing game. With these steps, you're now equipped to find trending affiliate topics using BuzzSumo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.